and this is not a 4Runner.
Alright guys, today I'm going to be installing this MOLLE panel. This goes something like this here. The first thing I'm going to do is put a little tape on it to kind of tape it in place. Some painter's tape should be fine. All you're doing is just holding it in place to be able to mark where it needs to go. Just kind of line it up basically with here. It's the main angle you're trying to line up with, and then you're going to be kind of back behind or in front of this line here, and before you get to this piece here. So you just kind of line it up here. You can make sure that you'll be kind of below this line here, somewhere right about here. If that looks good. Just kind of eyeballing it, get it as level as you can, really. Just tack into place here. Got one more to go top. Move. There we go. Now, look at that. Oh, it holds that as good as I thought it would. Make sure we're still lined up here. Looks pretty good there. Now I might just hold it there. Just take a permanent marker. I'm just gonna mark the center of the hole here and here. Just the four corners. That should be good there. You can really probably put it wherever you want to. You could even go back to like this hole and this hole, or I'm gonna try it here and make sure that it doesn't run into any interference here with this stuff here. I don't think there's anything behind there, but we'll have to find out, I guess. So that can come off there now that it's all marked. I'm gonna drill that hole first, make sure we're not running anything. I just take a 3/8 inch drill. Now I've got these 1/4-20 riv nuts. So if it's a 1/4-20 by 1 inch long bolt, I'm just set those in there. Should fit there, and they're somewhat snug at least. There's a couple different ways you can actually crimp these down. I actually have a special tool for it, but you can also use the nut and bolt method. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube you can check out for that too. Alright, so I'm going to take my little tool here, open her up, my 1/4-20 rib nut on here. I'm going to take the tape off of this. And then what's provided with these panels is I'll have these 1/4 inch thick spacer washers. That way you can get any kind of your gear that has maybe straps around the backside or anything like that. It'll just give you more room. You can always get more of these and space them out a little further if you need, but I figure 1/4 inch is a good starting point. There we go. Through there with the rubber spacer on the back side, like so. I don't know if you can see that at all or not, but line her up, finger thread it on. That. We got our 4. probably best to temporarily put the bolts through and the washer behind them, and then put your first one on. But I think you can figure it out. I have faith in you. You just tighten them down and you should be good to go. Clean up your mess and be ready for gear. It's nice and strong. These are 1/8 inch thick 50-52 aluminum too, so they're really rigid, and they're not going to go anywhere. Hope that helps with the install side of things. You can check these out on the website. Check out the modded 2nd Gen Highlanders Facebook group and the website for that. All right, have a good one.